Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. Guess where I'm at, folks? Get me a workout here. Got a little workbench. Gunther over there. And all of these adobe houses. That's right. Las Vegas, Nevada. Look, they got clouds. Ain't that special? And over here in the cut, lemonade. Woo woo. Can't say that I missed all the work I need to do on this thing, but it's here waiting on me. Let's see what we can get into. We need to do something on this XC90 real quick. Gonna kick off the Tinker Day. Replace the transmission torque arm bushing on this XC90. That should be fast and easy. Volvo boy. There's a part number for it. I think this is a 2012 XC90 if I'm not mistaken. Let's grab a couple tools, knock this out. Well, you think this is a 5-minute job, then you come down here and you see a splash panel down here. But there's the bolts to the front side of it. And these things primarily get damaged because of fluid leaking on them and then just wear. They take a lot of torque jerking back and forth. When the vehicle shifts gears, it absorbs those shift jerks so you don't feel them. So let's get this splash panel removed. Look like it's got a few 10 millimeters. Get it totally removed or dropped down so you can reach the hardware in here. We'll drop it down so we don't damage it. This one's pretty easy to do. You got a clip in the wire harness that pushes in there, and you got 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. These are usually 18. These are normally 12. So let's see what they are. 2 rear bolts, 13. These 2 are 18. You know it's bad because this thing just flops around. Then you just lift it up out of there. And this is the replacement. It has rubber everywhere that works. And this one's just flopping around because it's totally destroyed. Take this, hook it back up in there. And there you have it. Put those 18s on there and put those 13s in the back. Those things were pretty tight. I'd have to say those things were torqued probably 20 foot-pounds, and these up here about 35. Got those bolts torqued on, the ones in the back torqued on, the wire harness pressed in that hole. Put the splash panel back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 millimeters, and we're all done. We're about to see if lemonade will start, or does it have a dead battery? Been just sitting here chilling. Whoop whoop. With that expired tag. Yep. We'll know if the battery's dead when I unlock the door. It's dead. No need to go no further. On this vehicle, when you unlock the driver's door, it should unlock all the other doors. And when that don't happen, just go get yourself a jump box. Time to knock out my walk today. It's only 81 degrees. The high today is supposed to be 84. Gonna be a beautiful day in Vegas. I did not expect this to be as tough as it is. I gotta get in here and find some parts that I got for people and need to ship out. Between looking in this car and the stuff I left inside Willie Gilly's house, this is a little harder than I thought, but hey, time to dig in, break the ice, and get this show on the road. Whoop whoop. And this is why you need to tint your window in Vegas. UV rays over the last 45 days have been coming into this back window, hitting my latex glove box and disintegrating the gloves in here. Good Lord. I've never seen nothing like it. Reached in here to get a glove, and the first couple of gloves are destroyed just by the UV rays. We are here at the happiest place on earth. Somebody has taken the dash out of this S70, broke the center console stuff. They didn't know what to do with that. Cut the wires off the driver's seat, took that. Left a nice steering wheel here, but they broke the airbag out because they didn't know how to get the airbag out. I've never seen that before. Anyway, this is a S70 with gray parts, and I think it's a 98. I need that dome light. Mine is not working right. Pretty sure it's a 98. It's got a throttle body, regular throttle body. Ooh, blue handle. Somebody wanted some stuff off the engine. Maybe it had a homemade rig kit on it, because there's something there. It has stock sway bars on it. And man, this thing needed a cabin air filter, something bad. Somebody was breathing through that. Anyway, I don't see what we need here. I need to move on. Man, look at this. Left us a gift. A set of jewels. They blacked out the outer ring for some reason, and the lens has some damage on the inside, but they're jewels. I'm gonna take these and the corners. Whoop, whoop. A rear lower passenger side bumper light assembly. This one's hanging out, but there's a 2010 all the way down there. He's gonna try to get that one. Get it, Gilbert. Can he get it without breaking it? That's the question. Decided to change the transmission fluid on this car, and man, that stuff looks horrible. It's not red. It was just splashing out of there. And smells burnt, which is kind of normal for this kind of climate, 120 degrees and stuff like that, Las Vegas area. So we're gonna do a drain and fill, 3.5 quarts. Had a decent amount of, little bit of stuff on the drain plug. We're gonna put that back in and run it 50 miles, change it again. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.